how? Because happiness takes this life away from you. If you will be a happiness, you will know the happiness, you will be out from here. Welcome back, everyone. This is Sanman YouTube channel. You are watching both program on this channel. Today, I am going to say about happiness. Any any other people told me what is happiness, and they will know what's the happiness they will share in this life. How would we be happy? They told me that. So today I am going to say about happiness. Some happiness. Happiness is everything and the goal of our life. If we see in a culture, in a by God who gave this topic happiness. Happiness is everything, but happiness is not everything. But why this is? This is how, because happiness takes this life away from you. Happiness takes this life away from you, but the happiness isn't take. But why? You will meditate if in yourself it will take you happy from other dimension of the life. Because happiness is only one thing which you can out from this circle, which is death and birth and death. It's a circle, it's a cycle. And if you will be a happiness, you will know the happiness, you will be out from here. It's the main reason and main cause of the happiness. So, do you know what is happiness? If you will know by your words, you will know on one for you. That's not for other, yeah. You will know you. So I ask this question to every guru and pastors or a monk, but they all have a foolish answer. They don't have an accurate answer. They have foolish answer. They told that the happiness is only found on Bible, Jesus, and Hindu told me that on Gita, and Muslim told me that on Quran. Every culture, every religion said to me, you will find happiness in his or her holy book, cultural book. So I don't believe on pastor, on a monk, on a guru, any masjid, any Quran. I don't believe what is happiness. I believe in me. So I know the happiness. I will be totally happy in 24 hours. It's the main reason. How could we be happy? If you will be happy inside you, you will be happy. If you will be sad inside you, you will be a sad. So you will be happy inside you. Then you will be happy. One day you will find a peace. You will find a happy. This is called happy, but not those who told you and who said to read Bible, Quran, Gita, Vedas, Upanishad. It's not the reason of happy. You will not be happy. You will be angered because you will know everything. It's in you. You will be that's happened. You will be greedy. So you don't find happiness. You don't find the cool. You you don't find the same situation in Vedas, Quran, Bible, so you don't want to be happy. Said if you will know this, you will be happy. And I told you there is a no name of God in this whole galaxy. There is a no God. I told you many times there is a no God. The God is the God is the shape of happiness which we can't see. Yes or no? You can't see happiness, so you can't see God. The God is the second name of the happiness. The name of God is the second name of happiness. If you will be happy, if you will find a happy, you find a God. There is a no God. The happiness is a God. Thanks for watching me, and I will pray to God every million time, and I will go on from here. Thank you, Namaste, and subscribe this channel, Sun Moon. Finally, I am going. Bye.